Hello.
Welcome.
Thank you.
どうぞ。
お邪魔します。So, this is Japanese style.
Yes, Japanese style.
よいしょ。
You can explain as well. Please explain as well.
そうね、そうしようかな。
So this is the entrance of my house. How is it called in Japanese?
玄関。
玄関. Yes, I knew that, but I wanted to test you and see if you remember. So yeah, you will notice that there is my bicycle here. Why is it in here? It's because I live close to the sea, and probably the the salt coming from the sea can ruin. At least that's what my coworkers say to me, and she suggests me to keep it inside instead of outside. So that's what I'm doing. And there I have some trash, some of my mail. Yes, some trash. Why you focus on the trash? Some of like my reusable bag. Here I have my shoes. Yes. And my bags. Nothing so special. And here I have mess. Plus like something for like insect during summer that I didn't see yet because it's not summer yet, but they will come and I'm scared of it. So here we have the toilet. It's Japanese toilet with like bidet and things like that, which I actually don't really use. Do you use like the bidet function or like
No.
Okay. And there is a window in the toilet. In apartment building, especially in small one, it's kind of difficult having a window, but this is kind of like bigger apartment. Actually, in this complex, I'm the only like single person living here by herself. The other people living here are family. Yeah. Anyway, this is the bathroom. So the sink. Here there is some more mess. There's some cleaning supply. Cleaning supply. Here more mess. Here is my washing machine. Yeah, at the beginning when I moved to Japan, I need to use translator to understand how it works. Yeah, now I know. Here is my shower room and bathtub. So yeah, in Japan you take your shower here and then you go inside the bathtub. Everybody in the family normally use the same bath water, so you need to clean yourself before going. Yeah, really simple. Here there is big storage space, which is messy, and this door is kind of falling apart. I don't know why, but I can open this one. See? So there is like cat sand, my suitcases, some other random stuff that I don't use so often. Yeah. And now it looks like perfect. And here is the main room. This is Brina. Let's say hello to you. So here I have my small fridge. This is my really old like stuffed toy that I have since I was born and I normally bring with me everywhere. Here is my microwave, my small fridge that for one person it's more than enough. When I was living in another apartment, not here but in another country, I have a really small fridge that it was only under the counter and I didn't have freezer. So for me, this is perfect. Even though for some people it's small, I don't care.
Can I open it?
It's messy. It's messy!
Woo!
Yeah, there is food. Yeah. There is food, milk, egg, beer, salad, yeah. And yeah, this is just some frozen stuff. I have some basil frozen because I use it in sauce, and then with the like this kind of thing. Storage house. Here I have my oven, that is toaster oven. It's pretty small oven, but I love baking, so I try to do a lot of stuff in here. And it normally works. Sometimes it doesn't, but it works for me. And more fancy oven will cost a lot of money in Japan. Maybe one day, not now. I have my rice, food for Brina, and rice cooker, kettle, and some more food. Yeah. And Brina again. She wants to say hi. So the kitchen is actually quite big. It's bigger than my previous apartment. Do you agree, Brina? Yes, she agrees. The only thing is that in Japan the sink is normally huge and there is not a lot of counter space, but here I have this space, so it's enough. And I can use, when I don't use the induction stove, I can use this place as well. And yeah, underneath there is a storage, so I can storage other things underneath here, like salt. And I have my oil,
醤油があるね。ソイソース。
soy sauce, the
刺身。
sashimi soy
Sashimi
sauce, and
Goma.
sesame oil, goma. Yeah. I have some book. My friends give me this.
ビーガン和食。
Vegan washoku, because I don't eat meat. I'm not vegan, but I don't eat meat. I eat fish and like dairy, so it's okay. And then I have another.
餃子。
Yeah, my friends give me this as well about gyoza. And this one is in English, this one is in Japanese. So this one is still a bit difficult for me. Yeah. Anyway, here I have some more storage space. Yeah. So there is my manekineko that my friends gave me, and she bought at flea market. Another manekineko. And this one, it's a cat as well, but it's Christmas decoration that my friend from the UK gave me before I moved to Japan.
And this is real 猫。
And this is real neko.
Cute.
Does she want attention? Yes. So as well, in this apartment, pets are allowed, so that's why I can keep her. Not in all Japanese apartment. Actually, most of Japanese apartment don't allow pet. Sometimes some pet allowed apartment, they allowed dog, but not cat. Yeah. And here I have some book, my Japanese book, and some more book that I need to use and study. Maybe I will try to do the entry in December, maybe. And here there is my cat that she's not really happy with me now. She kind of want to play, but kind of don't want and want to bite me. Okay. So here is my living space, my sofa. It's actually sofa bed. So I bought this because my previous apartment was really small, so I thought that I will actually sleep on this one. But I end up sleeping on futon only because it took maybe 3 weeks to arrive this. And after the first night on a yoga mat, sleeping on a yoga mat, I decided I couldn't sleep for like 3 weeks on a yoga mat, so I bought futon. And at the end it was really comfortable because I bought like kind of double size, so I just sleep on that at the end in my previous apartment. And yeah, actually I don't use that table so much, so I normally eat and study here. And as you can see, I have more Japanese book that I cannot read because this is not mine. I have my TV, some my old computer, some cable, the Nintendo DS that I don't use as much often actually, and some board game, English board game. And yeah, so you might wondering why these curtains are so short. I can say that I did it on purpose so my cat can look outside, but actually the curtains are from one of my friends that he moved abroad, so he just gave me the curtain and I took it for free, so it's good. And the plus side is that Brina can look outside and yeah, she enjoy her day while I am at work. And this is my bedroom that I think it's quite big. So this is double size mattress, queen size, I don't know. Anyway, it's kind of like double for two people. And this is my cat tree. This is a fan for like summer or like now that is spring if it's too hot during the night. Yeah, my light, nightstand, and yeah, here I have my clothes. So it's actually really big closet. So this is my dry rack. This is the old futon that I was used in my previous apartment, and in case somebody come and visit, I can host maybe 2 other people on the sofa bed and maybe 2 other people here. So yeah, some of my clothes, there are bedding and other things. And there is Brina again. Yeah. So this apartment is quite cheap because I pay only 48,000 yen a month. 48,000, is it?
40,000, 40, yes.
Yes, 48,000 a month. Plus there is like a bit of like building expenses, so it's actually around 50,000 pound, 50,000 yen, 50,000 yen a month. Yeah, and it's quite wild and big. And is it that cheap? Because I live in countryside. So my house is 20 minutes by bicycle from the nearest station. I live quite close to my job, so I can go to my job by bicycle. But there is nothing around here. There is a supermarket and there is rice field. There is the sea that is quite close, so that is nice. But I live really, really in the countryside, and it's not even countryside of like really, it's kind of like big city because it's Fukuoka, but it's not like countryside of like Tokyo or Osaka. But anyway, I like it here. Yeah. And how about guarantor? So in Japan there is guarantor system. So if you want to rent a place, you need, especially if you're a foreigner, some apartment doesn't require that, but some apartment require that. You have to have somebody that put his name and down to like kind of guarantee that he will pay in case you cannot pay your rent. In my previous apartment, it was my school, so I need to prove to my school to have the financial ability to cover my rent for a whole year, apart from like the fee for the school. And then my current apartment is actually my boss that is my guarantor for this apartment. Yeah. So in case as well, like I changed job or for example, my previous apartment, I needed to leave it because I wasn't at the school anymore. So yeah, even if the contract was 2 years, because of that, because it was related to somebody else that I couldn't stay there. for there is as well like key money and like some money that you put up front. Just so key money is like a gift for the people who let you use the house. So this apartment doesn't have it, and I'm really happy about it. But I have to pay upfront 3 months of my rent, just in case I do any damages. So they will take it away when I am leaving. And as well, some apartment, the contract is 2 years. Most of apartment, the contract is 2 years. And when you renew the contract, you have to pay extra money sometime. You have to pay again something. But this apartment doesn't have that as well, so that's good. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Do you want to add something? Did you like my apartment?
Yes, of course.
Do you think it's comfortable?
Yes, really comfortable.
Yeah, so next we will see his apartment.
楽しみね。
And which one is the most comfortable to live in?
多分ね、yours.
Okay, bye bye.
ざるそば食べよう。